has that changed now we think about art. While contemporary art, it is the art of how that reflect our current life and times. So, so the art's history is not easy to pin down. Ideas, tradition, style change over time. While we can group art into periods and moments, these are not strict rules. Art is always connected to the life, culture, and society of its time. To understand it, you have to look at the belief and way of life of the people who made it. Art is always changing and moving forward. So what is contemporary mean? Contemporary mean? The word contemporary literally means of the present time or now, but defining exactly what contemporary art. It can be tricky because time keeps moving. What is new today becomes story tomorrow. Different people have different ideas about when the literary period started. Now I will show you the museum of the past history. So this is the museum of the past.
Good day, everyone. Before I start to discuss about the social context, modern in between the contemporary art. So, let's define first the contemporary art. The text emphasizes that contemporary art is hard to define because it embraces a wide range of ideas, styles, and themes. Unlike earlier art, the focus is less on the medium or technique and more on the underlying concepts and concern. So, this has led to a global conversation about art transcending geographical boundaries. So, we have influence what really art influenced modern media. So the integration of media like television, photography, and cinema has blurred the lines of what constitutes art. The idea or concept behind the artwork has become more significant than its visual execution alone. So we have called transitional movements. So the first one is abstract expressionism. This movement, prominent after World War II, combined abstract techniques with spontaneous gesture. It's divided into action painting, emphasizing the process and physically and color fields, focusing on emotional impact of colors. So we also have OP art. So OP art means optical art, emerging in the early 1960s, uses visual illusions, patterns, and colors to create a sense of dimension, movement, or protrusion, precision. So they have been shown there the artists like Victor Vasarely and Brigitte Raleigh. So we also have social and cultural context. Art is deeply influenced by societal changes around it. So the social, political, and cultural shifts of the 20th century provided a rich backdrop for artists, shaping their work and the evolution of art movements. So it shifts to postmodernism. The text identifies the 1970s as a pivotal period marking the rise of postmodernism. This era is characterized by a departure from the clear-cut definitions and progression seen in early modern art, leading to a more fragmented and diverse artistic landscape. So that's all. Thank you.
Contemporary art. One of the main developments during the time was torn from the traditional notion of what art, from painting and sculpture to more experimental formats. This included film, photography, video, performance, installation, and site-specific works and artworks. Even these formats intended to overlap, leading interest and dynamic, otherwise unheard combination of concept, subject materials, techniques, and methods of creation. Experience and even analyze compared to I, other periods, it can be argued by the contemporary art the most social aware and involved of art. The subject matter of these works has one of the most pressing hit, even controversial issues of contemporary art. So, contemporary art is described in the text as a dynamic of social conscious from form of aesthetic expression that differs significantly from the traditional aesthetic practices like controversial painting, sculpture. It embraced the broad spectrum and experimental formats including film, photography, video, performance, installation, site-specific works, and artworks, often blending these diverse medium, medium to create involves combination of concept, materials, and techniques. This art form is notably characterized by its profound social awareness, deep involvement with contemporary issues, and frequently addressing pressing, continuous, and even controversial topics within society, thereby challenging established notation of artistic purpose and meaning. So, contemporary art is a dynamic and social conscious from the artistic artistic expression. So, from the traditional artistic practices like conventional painting and sculpture, it embraced the broad spectrum of experimental formats, including film, photography, video, performance, installation, and site-specific works. This art is no notably characterized by the profound social awareness and deep involvement. So, contemporary art is hindi pala siya bumabase sa ating yung own experiences lang natin. Contemporary art is bumabase talaga siya sa kung anong nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran sa ating society. So, next. Other contemporary arts movements, neo-pop art. In the 1980s, there was a renewed interest in the pop art, specifically to Andy Warhol's works and his contemporaries. What made it different from the pop art was that it is appropriate some of the first ideas of Dada, in which ready-made materials were used for the artwork. Dada was a movement that was very much against the values of the bourgeois, the colonial, and even the national. It was both anarchic, as it was referencing the anarchy, the war of cues, because of the values and movement abhors the praise. Aside from this, it does not only reference popular culture but more importantly criticize and evaluate it. Neo-pop art na lumabas noong 1980s, like a revival or renewed interest sa pop art, lalo na sa mga gawa ni Andy Warhol at sa mga kanyang contemporaries. Ang main distinction nito is ang original na pop art ay ang appropriation niya ng mga idea mula sa Dada movement. Ang Dada movement ay isang art movement na strongly opposed traditional artistic norms at ginamit nila ang ready-made materials sa kanyang artwork. So neo-pop art look like this concept. The use of everyday and pre-existing object, and it integrated it into their own contemporary style. Creating art was the both familiar and critically engaged.
Constructivism arts. Conceptual arts focuses on the idea behind the artwork rather than the final object. The planning and concept are the most important part, and the physical artwork may even be simple or secondary. Example: Jenny Holzer, known for the displaying short, powerful text statement in public space like lead signs or poster, where the message itself is the artwork. Performance art. Performance art is a live artistic action carried out by the artist instead of creating an object, the artist uses their body action and time to express an idea or message. It often involves the audience and can be planned or spontaneous. It is temporary. It does last forever. Example, Mariana Abramovic in one famous work, she, she sat silently while visitor took turn sitting across from her, creating a powerful emotional experience. Installation arts. Installation arts create an impressive environment that the viewer can enter, experience. Instead of just looking at arts, you walk through it or interact with it. Example: an artist fills a room with light mirror or object so that when you walk inside, you feel are surrounded by the person.
Good day everyone. Today I will be reporting about a famous public installation artwork known as Cadillac Ranch. So, this artwork was created in 1974 by the art group Ant Farm, led by artist Chip Lord, Hudson Marquez, and Doug Michels. So, Cadillac Ranch is located in Amarillo, Texas, along the highway. The artwork is composed of 10 old Cadillac cars from different models dating from 1949 to 1964. What makes this installation unique is how the cars are buried nose first into the ground and arranged in a straight line. The cars are placed at the same angle, forming a visual striking image in the middle of an open landscape. So, this artwork is an example of installation art. Also relates to earth art. Installation art refers to artworks created to transform a space or environment, while earth art uses natural surroundings as part of the artwork itself. Instead of placing the artwork inside a museum, the artist used the land as their canvas. The desert-like environment becomes part of the overall meaning and experience of the artwork. Over the years, Cadillac Ranch has changed because it is open to the public. Visitors are allowed to spray paint and add graffiti on the cars. Because of this, the appearance of the cars constantly changes. At one point in the 1990s, all the cars were painted pink. This shows that the artwork is not fixed but continues to evolve through public participation. So, Cadillac Ranch also represents a commentary on American culture, especially the love of cars and consumerism. The Cadillac was once a symbol of luxury and success. By burying these cars in the ground, the artist may be showing how material things lose value over time. It reminds viewers that even symbols of wealth can become forgotten or abandoned. In conclusion, Cadillac Ranch is more than just a group of buried cars. It is a power example of public installation art and earth art that transforms the landscape, invites public interaction, and delivers a message about culture and time. This artwork continues to attract visitors and remains an important piece in the history of modern art.